Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be learning how to drive a stick shift. It's my first time, don't know what I'm doing, so if I mess up, you can go ahead and put the laughing emojis, whatever you want to say down in the comments below. And this is my first time ever driving a stick shift. I'm just automatic. I don't care nothing about a manual car. I'm just straight automatic. But this guy right here insists that I learn how to drive a stick shift. He's like, oh, you can't limit yourself. Well, I'm gonna limit myself today. I'm gonna just go ahead and try it out for the first time, and I already know I'm not gonna like it, but it's gonna be a pretty fun video. so you guys get ready. You know, like I said, you guys comment, like, subscribe, and share the video for my content. Man, honestly, I don't even want to do this, bro. Honestly, I really don't want to do this. What you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey, man.
Hey, y'all, man. Wish me luck, man. This man.
Bro, look at them guns, bro. This is about cars. It's got nothing to do with
Anyway, guys, we finna switch seats and see how it goes, bro.
Awful. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the driver's side. He gonna switch to the passenger side. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a second.
You know,
like I was saying before, you have your clutch, you have your brake, you have your gas.
Oh, you like the gas, huh? Okay.
It's not all
that. It's a little fuzzy. I doubt
it's
it's
an SI, Civic, 2012, whatever. Anyway, yeah. So honestly, if I had a choice, I would even drive.
It's not about how you feel now. It's about you learning. No, it's you learning how to drive a stick shift.
I don't want to learn. That's the
anyway,
thing.
man, let's get this video on the road, man.
I'm gonna blow the motor.
All right, put this.
I know.
All right.
No. You're gonna put the emergency brake down. So my foot's on the clutch. There's too many people coming in and out of here. Shut up, people, man. Shut up, people.
Yeah, man. I tell you this. Too much. It's a bad way to learn.
Put it on me. I mean, I know how to drive. Man, fix the camera. You got the camera leaning to the side, man. I know how to drive, but it's too many cars going in now. Okay, so you said like this, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Ease your way off. Oh shit, give it gas, right?
Just a little bit. Watch that for that hump. Okay, guys, we're moving.
So my feet don't stay on the clutch, right?
No.
Take it off.
Wait for this piece of shit, dude.
Oh.
Clutch all the way in. There you go. Remember, you're already in first, though. You're already in first gear.
So I just ease off the clutch.
Yeah.
I've had to just drive slow because I can't go fast. I don't know what I'm doing.
What you mean?
A little bit of gas?
When you're doing that, make sure your feet off the clutch, though.
Oh, my foot on the clutch.
Yeah. It's bad to ride the clutch. That sounds so gay. Ride the clutch. Ride the clutch, baby.
So when I brake, what I do?
You brake, nigga. Clutch in. Oh my god. Clutch all the way in.
So how you reverse?
Reverse is.
There's a car coming. Is it reverse?
Yeah. Same thing as first gear.
Ease off the clutch.
Yeah.
Fuck more.
Now, whenever you feel the car about to turn off, all you gotta do is just push the clutch all the way in, and the car won't turn off.
Yeah. So I put my foot down on the brake.
Mm-hmm.
Take it off the clutch, right?
Keep it off the clutch.
Keep it off the clutch.
Keep it. There you go.
Okay.
Now put it back in first gear.
How you do it? Up?
Listen. Press it. You pressing it?
On the
brake?
brake?
The clutch.
Yeah, the foot on the clutch.
Now first gear.
Man, I'm about to park. So ease off the clutch.
Ease, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm getting a headache. So when I want to stop, just keep my foot on the clutch.
Yeah, if you about it. Unless the car is in neutral, that's when you don't really need to keep your. So if the car is in neutral, you don't need the clutch. If it's not on neutral, you come into a couple style, you need the clutch.
It's so bad right now. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. Look, you too. What's wrong with this shit?
Because you're in first gear. If you're gonna come to push the clutch, you pressing it?
Yeah.
Okay, now you could get off the feet of the clutch.
So we in park?
No, we in neutral, nigga.
So keep my foot on the brake.
Yeah, and take off the clutch.
Oh my god.
Man, we're gonna have to do this another day, though.
No, man, this is good enough.
So there are 3 minutes.
So this is good enough for me my nerves are so bad, bro. I'm scared, bro. I can't do this, bro. So all my people out there that have automatic cars, stay with your automatic. If you don't know how to use a stick shift, don't do it.
That's why you learn.
No, don't want to learn. I'm gonna just stick to my traditional. Start the car, put it in park, reverse drive, baby. That's it. All this stuff now, man.
Hold on. Man, back to what we were saying, man. Guys, if you got an automatic, man, learn how to drive a stick shift. It's really fun, you know what I'm saying?
It's
You
not
bring it to
fun.
the girls and stuff. But his issue is he just, I don't know, he just don't want to learn.
I don't want to learn.
He don't want to learn. That's why.
See, now, if I was younger, before I got my license and started driving up,
nigga, you are young. What you talking about?
come on, when I first started driving. When I first when I learned how to start driving, somebody would show me how to do stick shift, I wouldn't mind. But I'm already at the point like I'm used to automatic. Like like I say, if I got to drive stick shift, I won't drive.
Oh my god. Well, like
I just won't drive.
we got a part 2 coming, y'all. He'll be better. We'll be in a different car. At least a Mustang. It's easier. More horsepower, meaning like you don't have to usually give gas. A car with more horsepower is easier to drive.
Not my nerves.
Anyway, man, hope you guys enjoyed this
Funny, hilarious video. We're gonna put some clips in prior.
of yesterday on Snapchat.
Yeah.
He took 10 to drive yesterday. Yeah, you guys will see the clip, man.
It's
There we go, right there. Enjoy the clip. Yeah, this is clutch.
So it's in first, right?
Clutch in,
It's in the clutch.
all the way to the side and up. First. Oh shit! This nigga gonna kill me, y'all.
We done.
Nah, I guess. There we go, guys. Nah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you do, don't forget to go ahead and give my boy a like and subscribe to the channel. If
For
you
trying.
At least see,
Your hand probably with a speaker.
he never went over second gear. He only stayed in first gear.
I never do the first gear. First gear is pretty easy.
I mean,
Of
hey, you
course,
guys see
of
he
course.
stole a little bit. But we're not gonna get into that. You guys will see. There's a part 2 coming. He should be better in the second video. So, without any further, anything you gotta say to your people?
You guys, make sure you like our channel. Comment more cars we could do. Give us a like, a subscribe, a share, and get our channel up. Like we support the just give us some subscribers, whatever. On our way to 300 subscribers. We just got to 200. Now it's time to get to 300. So you guys, like I said, you guys watch all the videos. Do what you gotta do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said before, we're gonna do some more car reviews in the future. I mean, right now we're working on some car reviews right now. But long story short, thank you guys for watching. Also, like I said before, like, comment, subscribe. Steve right here. Darius right here.
Hey, I do have a personal channel, yo. Go subscribe to my channel. It is the Logs. I'm gonna put it in the screen here. It's the Logs Vlog. Go show me some love too.
You editing this video?